the matter with me? I don't have much to say. Daylight sneaking through the window, and I'm here in this cafe. Walking to and fro beneath the moon, out to where the trucks are rolling slow. Guess I'll sit right here on this bank of sand and watch the river flow. Wished I was back in the city, instead of out here on this sand, with the sun beating down on a chimney top, the wild-eyed love so close at hand. If I only had wings, I could fly, know where I would go. But I guess right now I'm just gonna sit here and watch the river flow. People disagree on just about everything. Makes you stop and wonder why. Why, it's only yesterday I saw somebody out on the street, just couldn't help but cry. Old man river keeps running, no matter what gets in the way and which way the wind does blow. As long as it's like that, I'm just gonna sit right here and watch the river flow. Watch the river flow.